Hey everybody, welcome back, or thanks for visiting the channel. Today is Friday, the 9th of February, 2024, and I'm opening up a pretty cool little item from Oz Machine Company. This has been one that we've waited for, and I'm sure a lot of people in the same boat have chased this and entered giveaways and everything else you can imagine, and had no luck. And I was right there with you, and just got lucky this last one about a week ago. So let's open it up. I'm going to use my Asher Spiro with the silver twill graphite covers, I guess, and the M390 blade. And this was what I kind of got to hold me over, I guess. It's not exactly like it, but it does kind of follow the idea of a Roosevelt. I like it. This is a great knife. If you ever see Asher online, check them out. They make a lot of good products. They make this in titanium as well and so on. But okay, let's get on with the main show. So we'll go like this. Hope you're doing well out there yourself today. I have had the opportunity to handle one of these. My son, my oldest son, I should say, owns one. And I know you can get these on the secondary, but they're kind of crazy price-wise. Okay, so a little bubble wrap package. And open it up here. Undo the glue. There's a nice box that you've seen so many times. I just want to check one thing. Okay. There it is, the Putter. Wow. Okay, so this is 2898 knife number. It's the Magna Cut, as you can see. Try to zoom in there a little bit for you. 63 to 64 is where it's supposed to be. Putter milling, all titanium construction. And there's the little decal behind it that's a image of the knife. So let's take this out. And boy, that is really quite nice. Let me zoom this out so maybe, there we go. These are the bronze pieces of hardware, the screws and the pivot there. The clip, I was kind of hoping the clip was going to be bronze too, but maybe that's not a good thing, or I don't know if they offer it or not. Boy, it's light. It is lightweight. It's under 3 ounces, they say. There's a nice back spacer. Again, just titanium back, not just, but titanium back spacer. A lot of times they'll offer all different kinds. I'm sure you've seen it. Lots of different customization. Everything's beautiful. So there it is. And I have number, oops, let's do this. Maybe it's easier. 2898. So maybe I'll go out and play that in the numbers. Okay, let's see. Blade centering looks spot on. Just love it. Very nice. Okay. Let's give it a flipperoo and see what happens. Spidey flick is the way to go on these, I guess. Ooh, try it again. Boy, that is like glass. Oh my gosh. Feels great. Boy, he just designed one perfect knife. This is the Stonewash, I believe, blade. Jimping feels good. That swedge, very nice. And the point. And I just felt the tiniest little grab as I was moving around in my hands, and it was beautiful. Oh, that is extra sticky. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is... This might be one of the sharpest knives I ever got out of the box. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. It's just a whole different feeling. Okay, so there's the MC for the Magna Cut, right there at the base of the blade, where the choil is. I did recently get a Sage 1 in Maximet, and that is beautiful too. But I have to say that I think this is just a little, wow, slicier, or more butter-like. It's a velvety feel is kind of the way I can describe it. Boy. And, boy, and talking about the secondary market, I mean, these things just get crazy, crazy money on the back end. It's, I've seen all kinds of prices. I've seen all kinds of, raffles. People will sell 100 tickets at $10, $15, $20 a piece, and I get it. You want to make some money. I can't say as I blame you, but I don't think I want to do something like that. I'm pretty sure I want to keep this knife. This is, it's a user. I can see where people would want to just put it in the safe. It is a thing of beauty. Look at that drop. I mean, wow. There's a thumb flick. A little stronger on that, I guess. There's the lockup. I know people like to look at that. It's barely engaged, but beautiful. Whew. Yeah, just got to get the right thing. The handle is not gigantic, but it's with this forward choil, it just makes it great in your hand. And again, the lefties, I think that's one thing that Oz should do is they should make some for lefties. I mean, Chris Reeves does it. Why can't these guys do it? I know it's a small part of the market for people that are left-handed, but, they deserve the love as well, in my humble opinion. So, okay, thanks for watching, and if you have one, let me know what you think of yours and how you use it. And I have seen people use these. That's the one thing. I think the guy's name is High Winds EDC. Real nice guy. He uses his knife. He does it. Another guy is Doody's Daggers. He does a cut test with this that does not baby it. He cuts all kinds of stuff. It's check them both out. You'll see some good stuff. All right, let's try one more Spidey. Beautiful. And didn't do a slow roll yet. Well, it's hard to do. That D10 just pops it off. Boy, so it's got to break in a little bit if I want to do that. But that is sweetness. Okay. I guess we'll go off to the lottery and play a lotto. Thanks for watching. And I hope if you're in the hunt that you get lucky as well. And Again, these things are not cheap. Everybody kind of knows that these are a premium product, but this was a release of 40 of these, this style, the golf putter, or the Silver Surfer, I think some people call it. And then there was 10 others of the, I think they call it mag milled, which is a very interesting design, but I think I like this better. This is really, it's artwork. It's like, look at it, just goes on and on. Okay, thanks again for watching, and good luck to all in the future. Peace out.